Good morning, YouTube. Welcome to the Eugene Torto YouTube channel. Today is Black Friday, the day after Thanksgiving. I hope everyone had a happy Thanksgiving. I finally got around to doing some work on more work on the trans. I got the input drum completely apart. I got to clean everything up, and I did have to fab a couple of tools. I fabbed this tool. This is actually for the low reverse piston, which is the last thing to go in the case. And basically, you slide this through the case and use this part here to go up against there, such as that, and just turn the wing nut, and that compresses it. And then for this part, I needed to compress this spring here inside the input drum. The kit comes with this heavy-duty washer to place on top of it, so you don't ruin this plate here that holds all the springs together. And I fabbed up this tool, which, let me see if I can show you, which basically went in here like that, and then you just turn these two down, and that compresses the spring, and then you undo the C-clip. C-clip was a pain to get off. You really need the correct pliers for them. I took a pair of these pliers I had and then modified the end so they hook on a little better, but it would have been better to have a specific type of snap ring pliers for that type of snap ring. So one thing I am noticing is, like, I took these seals off the low reverse piston, these seals here, and they're literally just falling apart. They're literally there. Let's just see how they just break. That's how hard and brittle the seals are. So first we'll be getting this a little bit cleaned up and replaced. These lip seals are still seem pliable and stuff, but I'm sure they've seen their better days. These springs here get replaced with a stiffer set of springs that come in the kit. And I believe these springs too. So I got to take these apart and put the springs in them, follow the directions, and put this all together. Then I'll get all this cleaned up, and hopefully I'll have the input drum put together, and I'll air test it, and that I think might be it for today. I got some traveling to do this weekend. See my brother, who just got out of the hospital. Hopefully he's doing good. Had a hip replacement operation. So once again, I hope everyone had a happy Thanksgiving and have a great weekend. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and if you like the video, hit the thumbs up. If you don't like it, hit the thumbs down. Leave comments below. Everyone have a happy day. God bless.